Good morning, students. Let us continue chapter circle. First theorem we have already discussed. The radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. That is the first theorem. And before starting second theorem, let us discuss the questions on exercise 10.1. After that, we will start exercise 10.1. All the questions are word problem like that. All the questions are based on the words only. First question is, how many tangents can a circle have? How many tangents a circle can be drawn? How many points are there in a circle? There are infinitely many points on a circle. So that we can draw infinitely many tangents can be drawn to a circle. That is the answer of first question. Tangents can be drawn to a circle. And this is first question. Second question is fill in the blanks that you will do by yourself. I will not do. Question number 3 is tangent PQ at the point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at the point Q. If OQ is equal to 12 centimeter and OQ is equal to 12 centimeter, you have to find the length of PQ. First of all, you have to draw the circle. Let me draw the circle. This is the circle with center O, and you are given a tangent at the point P. This is the tangent at the point P पर एक tangent आपको दे रखा है. Let the name be PQ. ये आपको दे रखा है. And radius of the circle, you are given that radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, and the line through the center O at the point Q such that OQ is equal to, let this point be Q, and you are given that the length of OQ is 12 centimeter. Once again I am saying, you are given circle and tangent at the point P is given with the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, and point Q is taken on the tangent such that OQ equal to 12 centimeter. You are asked to find the length of QP. इस QP का length find out करना है. Now, since OP is the radius, OP is perpendicular to PQ by theorem number 1. That is, I am not mentioning the theorem. Theorem 1, radius is perpendicular tangent at the point of contact. Therefore, OP equal to 5. And angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree by this theorem. This angle is 90 degree. Now, OQ is given as 12 centimeter. Now, in right triangle, RT means right triangle POQ, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to OQ square minus OP square. That implies OQ square is 12 centimeter whole square minus 5 centimeter whole square. Now, let me rub it. That means implies PQ square is equal to 144 centimeter square minus 25 centimeter square. That means 119 centimeter square. If you subtract 25 from 144, you get 119. That implies the required length PQ. You are asked to find the length of PQ. That is root 119. That is option D is the correct answer, since this is MCQ question. Now, third question that you can do by yourself. I will just explain you. Draw a circle and draw two parallel lines to a given line such that one is tangent to circle, one is secant. आपको एक circle draw करना है, and you have to take a line anywhere in the plane. Let it be L1. On the basis of this L1, you have to draw a tangent as well as secant to the given circle, so that both are parallel to the tangent and other secant which are parallel to the given line. Let L1 be the given line. Let L2 be the tangent at the point P. I am taking secant. Secant means क्या होता है? Circle को pass करके जाना है. That is L3. See, we have drawn. This one is L1. This L1 is parallel to L2 draw किया. Again, we have drawn L2 is parallel to L3. That means L1 is parallel to L2. L2 is parallel to L3 implies L1 is parallel to L3. That in this way we can draw a tangent line and secant line to a given circle which is parallel to a given line. L1 given line है, L2 टेंजेंट है, L3 सेकेंड है, ऐसे बनाया तीनों आपस में पैरेलल हो. This is the exercise 10.1 based on theorem number 1. Next topic is how many tangents can be drawn from an external point to a circle. आपको एक सर्कल दे रखा है. External point means outside point. You are given a point P outside of it. How many tangents can be drawn from P to the circle? That means we can draw two tangents that I am showing you. Two tangents. One is like this, one is like this, and this P, let us name this as A, this is PA and this is PB. That means from this is center O. From an external point to a circle, we can draw two tangents, and on the the theorem number 2 is based on the length of tangent from external point to circle. सर्कल के ऊपर आप बहुत सारे टेंजेंट बना सकते हैं, बाहर के पॉइंट से आप सिर्फ दो टेंजेंट ही बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज थ्योरम नंबर 2. No deletion in this chapter. You have to do each and every question. Theorem number 2. I am saying statement. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external points to a circle are equal. That means आप एक सर्कल के बाहर के पॉइंट से कितने टेंजेंट्स बना सकते हैं? 2 tangents, and the length of both the tangents are equal. That you have to prove. Before let me write the statement. Statement is the length of tangents is this is very important. The length of tangents drawn from an external point, PT means point, to a circle are equal. You have to prove this. For proving this theorem, we will use the concept of congruence. Now, once again, I am reading statement. The length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. That is the second theorem. First theorem. What was first theorem? First theorem is radius is perpendicular to tangent. These two theorems should be learned by heartily. It may come in the board examination. Now, let us prove the proof of this theorem. For that, let me draw the figure. You are given a circle and two tangents from a point. Let P be the external point, and from external point, as I told you, we can draw two tangents. Let the naming of tangent be PA and PB. आपको एक सर्कल दे रखा है. सर्कल में बाहर का पॉइंट मैंने लिया P से PA and PB, two tangents are drawn. Now आपको ये प्रूफ करना है PA equal to PB. For that, let O be the center. The construction is join OA OB and the point to the center of the circle. This much is the construction. So what is given? Given in COR. As I told you, what do you mean by COR? Circle with center O and radius R. In COR, what you are given? PA and PB are two tangents from the point P. Now what you have to prove? You have to prove that PA is equal to PB. Now what is the construction that we made? Construction is join OA को join किया, OB को join किया, OP को join किया. OA, OB, OP. Now proof. What is proof? OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Why? OA and OB are the radii of the same circle. By the first theorem, radius is perpendicular to tangent. आपको मालूम है OA और OB रेडियस है और रेडियस हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर टू टेंजेंट होता है by theorem 1. That is by theorem 1. But in the examination you have to mention the theorem because it doesn't have any name. Now that implies angle PAO is equal to angle PBO is equal to 90 degree. Now that means these two angles are 90 degree. Now we are going to prove these two triangles are congruent by RHS congruence. RHS congruence, you have to show only two sides since one angle is given as 90 degree. Now in right triangles PAO and PBO, angle PAO, this is equation number 1, angle PAO is equal to angle PBO is equal to 90 degree from equation 1 by the theorem 1. Now let me rub it. That implies also OA equal to OB. Why? OA और AB equal क्या है? एक ही सर्कल का रेडियस है. रेडियस का प्लूरल है रेडियाई. RA रेडाई नहीं है, रेडिया. रेडियाई ऑफ द सेम सर्कल. Radii of the same circle. Now next is OP is equal to one side and hypotenuse is to be shown equal. Here OP is the hypotenuse. One side that we are taking is OA and OB. OA OB एक एक साइड ले लिया, OP कॉमन हाइपोटेन्यूज आ गया. OP is equal to OP common. OP is equal to OP common implies triangle PAO is congruent to ट्राइंगल PBO. नेमिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. PAO ये वर्टेक्स 90 लिया तो PBO ही लेना है बाय RHS congruence condition. That means we proved that these two triangles are congruent by RHS congruence condition by taking CP/CP. PA is equal to PB. That means we proved that the length of, hence the proof. That means we proved that the length of two tangents drawn from the external point P to the circle are equal. Now from this one property we can deduce, that is again by taking, this is by CP/CT, you have to write CP/CT. One more CP/CT I am taking, these two angles are again equal. Also angle APO is equal to angle BPO by CP/CT. That means what? इसका मतलब क्या है? The two tangents are equally inclined to the line segment joining the point and center of the circle. दोनों tangent जो point आपको दे रखा है वो point और center को join करने वाले line segment के ऊपर equally inclined होता है. The two, that is the corollary. The two tangents are equally inclined. Inclined means झुका हुआ है. Inclined to the line segment joining center and point. Joining the point and the center. Point and the center. Otherwise ये आप एक प्रॉपर्टी अपने corollary निकाला है. The two tangents are equally inclined to the line segment joining the point and the center. Otherwise, you can say that the line segment, the center lies on the angle bisector of the angle forming the point and the point on the circle. Otherwise, the center lies on the angle bisector of the angle formed by the two tangents. This is the corollary. This one is corollary of this theorem. Once more I am explaining. First one is we can draw two tangents from an external point to a circle. The length of two tangents from external point to a circle are equal. For that we have made two tangents P and PB. Construction made is OA, OB and OP joined. Now by the theorem these two angles are equal by theorem 1. Now by taking right triangles we proved that the triangle PAO is congruent to PBO by RHS congruence condition. By taking CP/CT we got PA equal to PB. That is to be proved. From that we have made one more corollary. The two tangents are equally inclined to the line segment joining point and contact. These are the two theorems of the chapter circle. You have to learn it by heartly. Now let us start question one by one. First question I am doing is all the solved examples also you have to do. That is very important. First question 10.2 exercise. Solved example we will do afterwards. Exercise 10.2. I am reading the question. This is MCQ. That is why I am again emphasizing MCQ question must be known. From a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 cm and the distance of Q from the center is 25 cm. The radius of the circle is. You are given a point Q. आपको एक point दे रखा है Q. From a point Q, what you are given? The length of tangent to a circle. मतलब आपको tangent बनाना है. Let PQ be the tangent drawn from the point Q to the point P, and you are given that the length is 24 cm and distance of Q फ्रॉम द सेंटर, सर्कल और सेंटर के बीच का डिस्टेंस आपको दे रखा है, थोड़ा सेंटर जैसे बनाना है, दैट इज दिस इज यू आर गिवन एज 25. This is PQ is 24, QO is 25. Let me draw once more. And this is to be joined. This is 25. You are asked to find the radius of the circle. Since PQ is the tangent, PQ is the tangent, and OP is the radius, and OP is the radius. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to PQ by theorem 1. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. TGT means tangent, समझना short form. Tangent at the point of contact. Now you can use Pythagoras in right triangle PQO. In right triangle PQO, by Pythagoras theorem, you know that this is Q. Let me OP square is equal to, this is hypotenuse, this is one side, OQ square minus PQ square, OQ square minus PQ square, that is 25 cm whole square minus 24 cm whole square, that is 625 cm square minus 576 cm square. If you subtract it, you will get root 49 cm square. But you have to find OP. Therefore, OP is equal to 7 centimeter. The first option is the right option. Option A is the correct option. A correct one. Now, second question. What is second question? Second question, you can. I am reading the question. In figure 10.11, if TP and TQ are given two tangents to a circle, the center O, so that angle POQ equal to 110 degree. Find then angle PTQ. You are given a circle again, and you are given a circle. Let O be the center, and two radius are given as, one is P and one is Q, and from P and Q, two tangents are drawn as PT and QT. And you are given that this angle is 110 degree. You have to find this angle. Since OP and OQ are radius, these two angles are 90 degree. Now, by applying quadrilateral OQTP, if you apply angle sum property, 110 degree plus 90 plus angle PTQ is equal to 360 degree. That implies 290 degree plus angle PTQ is equal to 360 degree, implies angle PTQ is equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree, that is 70 degree. That is, which option is right? Option B is the right option. इसके लिए एक और मेथड लगा सकते हैं. ये दोनों 90 होता है, इन दोनों का सम भी 90, इन दोनों का सम 180 है, तो इन दोनों का सम भी 180 होता है. तो एक 110 है, तो दूसरा मिलने के लिए 180 से 110 माइनस भी कर सकते हैं, या एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी भी लगा सकते हैं. Now question 3 that you will do by yourself as homework. Now question 3 and 4 are homework. Homework you mention, note it. Question number 3, question number 4 of exercise 10.2. Now question number 3 and 5 you have to do homework. Question number 4 I am doing. Question number 3, 5 exercise 10.2 are homework. Question number 4 I am reading. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of a diameter of a circle are parallel. That means you have to prove that. First of all, let me draw the circle. This is the circle. I am taking the diameter as AOB. Diameter should pass through the center. I am drawing two tangents. Let it be PQ and RS. आपको ये प्रूफ करना है, कोई भी सर्कल हो उसके डायमीटर के एंड पॉइंट से जो बनेगा टेंजेंट्स वो पैरेलल है, प्रूफ करना है. नाउ सी गिवन in the circle COR, AB is the diameter, and PQ and RS are tangents at कौन सा पॉइंट पर है? A और B. A and B respectively R L Y. क्या प्रूफ करना है? To prove you have to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. Now proof. How we can prove it? Since OB is the radius and RS is the tangent, this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, since OA is the radius, PQ is the tangent, this again 90 degree. That means pair of alternate interior angles are coming common, coming equal. So that you can prove that if the pair of, by considering AB as the transversal, these two are two lines. Since the pair of corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. OB, that is proof. OB perpendicular to RS implies angle OBS is equal to 90 degree. Equation 1 by theorem 1. Yeah, radius is perpendicular to tangent by at the point of contact. Similarly, OA perpendicular to PQ implies angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Again by same theorem. एक theorem बार बार एक ही क्वेश्चन में आ रहे थे, एक ही बार लिखना sufficient है. 1 and 2 gives angle RBA. देखिए first of all we are taking angle OAP 90 and angle OBS. OBS angle और ABS angle एक ही होता है. That means angle ABS. See, OBS ले लो, ABS ले लो, एक ही बात है. Angle ABS is equal to angle OAP is same as BAP. Angle BAP equal to 90 degree. Once more saying, OB RS का perpendicular means this angle is 90 degree. OA is perpendicular to PQ means this angle is 90 degree. That means angle OBS is 90 and OAP is 90. But OBS can be written as ABS and OAP can be written as PAB. That BAP or PAB. That means that implies PQ is parallel to RS by which angle? Alternate interior angles axioms. तो इसमें सारे understood है. That is, this is the second question. Next question is, fifth question you have to do by yourself. Sixth question I am doing is, what is sixth question? I am reading the question. Length of a tangent from a point at a distance. Length of tangent from a point at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. You are given, question number 6, you are given length of tangent from a point. Which point? From a point A. आपको point A दे रखा है, उसमें से tangent बनाया है. Let this tangent be AP. And the length of tangent from a point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. ये point center से 5 centimeter distance में है. 5 centimeter distance, this is O. Is how much what you are given? Is 4 centimeter. You are asked to find the radius of the circle. आपको क्या दे रखा है? एक सर्कल दे रखा है, एक बाहर का पॉइंट ए दे रखा है. The length of tangent at the point A which is at a distance of 5 centimeter from center. Center से ये पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस 5 सेंटीमीटर है, उसका लेंथ 4 सेंटीमीटर दे रखा है. आपको रेडियस OP निकालना है. इन आप जानते हैं OP is perpendicular to radius by theorem 1 in right triangle AOP by Pythagoras theorem. OP square is equal to OA square minus AP square, that is 5 centimeter whole square minus 4 centimeter whole square, that is 25 cm square minus 16 cm square, that is equal to 9 cm square. Implies OP is equal to 3 cm. This is the question number 6. Now seventh question is exercise 10.2. Two concentric circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Concentric circle means what? Circle having same center. You are given two concentric circle, means circle with same center and different radius. These are the two concentric circles. And you are given, what else you are given? आपको क्या क्या दे रखा है? Let me draw properly. You are given that the radius of first circle is 3 cm. This is 3. It is BP. And radius of second circle is you are given as 5. Let me check. The radius of first circle is given as 3 and radius of second circle कैसे बना लेते हैं, and given as this is q 5 centimeter. Now you are asked to find the length of chord of larger circle का chord बनाना है, तो ऐसे बना लेते हैं, इधर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. This is the chord of larger circle. QR is the chord of larger circle and which touches the smaller circle को touch करना है. So there are two circles, concentric circle. The smaller circle is having radius 3 centimeter. Bigger circle is having radius 5 centimeter. And RQ is the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at the point P. Now in the smaller circle, OP is the radius and QR is the tangent. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to QR by theorem 1. That is, this is 90 degree. OP is perpendicular to QR implies PR is equal to PQ. That you studied in class 9. Perpendicular from center to any chord of a circle bisects it. Now, in right triangle OPQ by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to OQ square minus OP square, that is 5 cm whole square minus 3 cm whole square, that is 25 cm square minus 9 cm square, that is 16 cm square. Therefore, PQ is equal to 4 cm. Now, by the property perpendicular from center to any chord of a circle bisect it, therefore QR is equal to twice PQ, that is 2 into 4 centimeter, that is equal to 8 centimeter. That is the question number 7. And now, today what we have studied number of topics. First one is theorem, how many tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external point to a circle. Theorem related to is length of tangent drawn from an external point to circle are equal. We proved that by RHS congruence condition. From this we have concluded a corollary. The two tangents are equally inclined to the line segment joining center and the point of external point. And we have done a lot of questions. You have to do the solved examples also. Do the practice of the theorems 2 to 3 times. See you again in the next class. Thank you.